Hi everyone, I'm Christine. Today I'm bringing to you my first unboxing of the Think Pink subscription box. This is the May 2023 box. Before I do the unboxing, I want to let you know what I'm wearing. This is my most recent make. It is the Trillium Dress by Sew Liberated. I'm going to do a separate video where I do a review of the pattern, but I do like it. So let's get to the unboxing. This lovely pink box was in my mailbox yesterday. I recently went to visit my son and his family, and I came home with a stomach bug. I'm still a little bit under the weather, so I waited until today to unbox it with you. And let's see what we have. Now when I feel the box, it feels pretty light. So I am going to guess that it is a challis or maybe a cotton lawn, but I'm going with a rayon challis. Now initially, when I was thinking about getting a subscription box, I held back from it because I like to know what fabric I'm getting, but I also like a surprise. So I thought I would give this a try. All of Andrea's fabric from Beyond the Pink Door is fabulous. So I know that is no risk. And I also sew for others in my family. So if it doesn't work for me, I know it'll work for someone in my family. The other thing is I really wanted to push myself or stretch my creativity and to do an unboxing and sew up the fabric before the next box comes. So this is what the box looks like. It is sealed, very pretty box. I'll probably find another use for the box. Let me unseal it. Now this box, the cost of it is 35 euros, and then to ship to the US, it's 14 euros. And so what that translates into US dollars is about $54. All right, this is exciting. I'm going to give you the first peek. Okay, May subscription box 16. So there's an easy lemon fudge recipe on the back. So let's dig into it. It's very beautifully wrapped. We've got this yellow paper. I will endeavor to reuse as much of this as I can. I have a little peek. Okay, this is very hard to unwrap. Let me just get into it. Okay. When life gives you lemons, add salt and tequila. All right, so, ooh, this is handy. So my sewing gift is some shirring elastic, and I am going to be doing some shirring soon, so this will come in handy. Some black thread will give you an idea of what's inside. So this is one of those wax melts, lemon and lime. I'll have to try that. My friend Adam from Adam Sews gave me one of those wax melt machines, wax melter, I don't know what they're called, for Christmas. So I'm going to pop that in and give it a try. So let's look at this. Another little gift, Squeeze the Day. That is just so cute. I love the kind of giftiness of this. I'm so good to myself. I give myself the best gifts. Oh, okay. As you may have guessed, this is a lemon theme here. I've got some labels. Let me open up and show it to you. It says, "You're the zest." So that'll be super handy. And onto the fabric. It's a beautiful cotton lawn with lemons on it. Let me see how much is in here. It's 2 meters of Lady McElroy cotton lawn. And what is so funny was I was looking at this in a different colorway recently, so it does appeal to me. Now the yellow would be a good color for me, so I think this might make a nice skirt. Let me know what you think I should make with this. I do have an idea. I recently bought the Mave Skirt pattern from True Bias, and I think I might make this into a Mave and see how it sews up in a cotton lawn. Now this is a very nice weight. It's very light. It has a little bit of drape to it. True confession time. I took a break from filming this video to follow the QR code that is included in every subscription box, to a video where Andrea talks about the contents of the box, the inspiration behind the box, and she gives lots of ideas of what you could sew using the contents of the box. I'd be really interested to get some ideas from you on what I could sew using 2 meters of this Lady McElroy fabric. What would you sew with this fabric? My expectations for the box were high and my expectations were met. Until next time, I hope you have a joyful week and you find the good in all things, especially sewing. And this is what YouTube thinks you'd like to watch next.